Sensō-ji is Tokyo's oldest and most famous Buddhist temple, located in the Asakusa district. It dates back to 628 AD, making it one of Japan's most significant cultural landmarks. The temple is dedicated to Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of mercy. The temple's legend says that in 628, two fishermen found a small golden Kannon statue in the Sumida River, which led to the temple's founding. Tokyo Station is one of Japan's most important and busiest railway hubs, located in the Marunouchi district of central Tokyo. Opened in 1914, the station is a masterpiece of Meiji-era architecture, known for its iconic red brick facade. It serves as a major gateway for Shinkansen, bullet trains, local trains, and metro lines, connecting Tokyo to the rest of Japan. The Rainbow Bridge is one of Tokyo's most famous landmarks, connecting Shibuya Pier in central Tokyo to Odaiba, a popular entertainment and shopping district. Completed in 1993, this 798-meter-long suspension bridge offers stunning views of Tokyo Bay and the city skyline. The bridge is named Rainbow Bridge because of its colorful night lighting, which changes depending on the season and events. Shibuya Crossing, located in front of Shibuya Station in Tokyo, is one of the most famous and busiest pedestrian crossings in the world. Known for its organized chaos, thousands of people cross from multiple directions at once when the traffic lights turn red, creating an unforgettable urban spectacle.